Blessings, peeps. Yeah, man. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. So today, guys, we're going to river. This is gonna be a catch and cook video. Alright, we're gonna see how we can catch on the river, and we're gonna cook them same place on the river. We have file paper, we have seasoning and all of that. You know the file paper for because a fish we have to catch down. So yeah, peeps. So now watch the intro. Follow me. Yeah. I do not have a crazy story to tell. Like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I'm just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica. ROMARIO jackfruit. This is the community of Shantytown in York, St. Thomas. Yeah, man. So, depend where I go river. Father there. Come through the next yard. Guys, so I'm just gonna take this time to let y'all know that even though I haven't been filming since the other day, like the project is coming on the way. We have acquired 300 blocks out of 450. We have 20 bags of cement. We get all of the nail, the zinc nail, the concrete nail and binding wire and all of them things there already. We have sand and gravel. So we're supposed to start digging foundation. However, for the blocks, the lady said we have a shortage of malt, so she's not going to be able to deliver all of the block them for this week. However, we still have to go ahead. You understand? And dig foundation. Guys, I want to tell you some phone the other day. My dad might be on my phone. That's the S9 Plus, I normally use for him. And the phone drop out of me and I don't know what happened. It's like somebody have one string on the tie and I draw the string under one car. So the phone's like going under the car and the peeps. Car run over the phone. However, I got back a phone. It's a ZTE. They tell me if the audio or the video, well, I got editor assisted, but tell me if the audio or video quality is still liking, so I can know. Alright? So yeah, wanna follow me. We're up on Ouaga River. Yeah, man. And today I gonna be a special day. Gonna do miss out on this. Alright? Yeah. Father, my brother. ROMARIO and daddy up front. Yeah, man. Cuckoo hunt as usual. Cuckoo just buck a mangoes, but mangoes get off on him. Down the road, down the side of it. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, peeps. Community of Shantytown in York. Yeah, we have got through the little bush now. Go around past the corner. Just want to say a special thank you to all the persons who have been supporting Elite Jamaica over the last couple of months. You know, ever since Elite Jamaica started. You know, it's really a blessing, guys. Every view, every comment, every like, every share, that really helps the channel. It helps the channel so that we can actually do more of these videos and to do more for others also. You know, so yeah, man, just across some water. So blessings again, guys. Alright, to the fan way. Father and brother from the peeps. Yeah, guys, these are the trucks that drive on the river coast. And I'm gonna see it again, a tractor and excavator down the river somewhere. This is where this truck going. So, yeah, man. That's the excavator right there working, loading the truck. Yeah, man. You see that? Yeah, peeps, so still up on our way. You know, we have our little spot. Let's see what we can catch. So guys, the excavator them they're real close to the, you know, because right that's how we have. You don't know that, but so I set up line on them thing there now, please. Yeah. know, peeps, I saw in this day, you know. Yeah, but fishing there like, wow. Anyway, the thing that me drop down and we are gonna hook up my line. So I just catch no fish so far. Father got them gonna catch Django because the tractor man them block the river down there so that we can actually get some shrimps. Alright, yeah, then they're at this side work. So, yeah, peeps. Peeps, like, it's in the afternoon now, we're still there. Romario down the river, they catch Django because him and him friend them down the river with them like dry one hand, we use the stone to block off parts so them I catch Django. Now show what I catch so far. I'll know I'm gonna start with my father get fed up and go up because he not catch nothing. The breeze kinda calm down right now, so I start catch 1 and 2. Alright, Romario get fish down the river. I'm showing what we have so far. I think we just go home and go cook because it'll get late. So I'm showing what we have now. Peeps, so I have a file paper and everything and ready for cooking up. And over here we have the fish there. Bully for fish, peeps. Now I'm gonna walk this. Alright, see? Whole lot of fishes. Yeah. River they good to the peeps, so fill you in and filling you in and making you know what's going on. Alright? Yeah man, back to fishing. Yeah peeps, Mario have 1 bag of fish. Show them Mario. See there? Let's see how much pound this. Peeps, about 12 or 13 pound of fish that, you know. Eel, mullet, all kind of fish. The breeze a bit too bad still. So yeah, I'm showing you some scenes and we're head going. That's the Belvedere Hills over there, guys. Yeah, this man will come a river and is like, we not catch no fish, we just not catch no fish. And I said, Jano. But yeah, the Almighty always come through. Oh, God bless. Type the rest in the comment section down below. So we're now back home, kind of tired. We're going to catch up the fire and things to get some of these fishes roasted. Alright, yeah man, so now look out for that.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, my message starts to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, stable, oh yeah, no label.
1 hour later.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up. Cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want
24 hours later.
yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number 1. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it alone, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Every tomorrow catch the whole scope because me that try a while ago. Put on about your more. So this now, this are just some fish seasoning, Maggi season up. You know, the Maggi fish seasoning, some onion and pepper, real country style. Alright, so yeah, now watch this, I'm show you how I'm going. Yeah peeps, so we do it like that. Yeah, this are the first set. Alright, we're wrapped up on the fire, is it? So the tomato, the man thing I grew up, you know, ones that I planted the other day. Growing up. Yeah, man. Romario jackfruit.
I just really I eat food.
Yeah, peeps, type in the comment section for those who know what jackfruit is. For those of you who are from Jamaica, I know what jackfruit is, alright? Yeah, man. These are the plants. Let me have your plant out. Now let's see the okra them peeps. You see that? Yeah, they might get big now. Yeah, man. Here peeps. The last set. For the water and plant them.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
That I want eel. Romario, he's not dead enough. Let me see him head. I'm dead. Say him not dead.
If you want to move.